Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm going to make for you macaroni and corned beef or bully beef. So you're going to need some macaroni using some shell or elbow. You can use a small onion, a small tomato, springtime, half of a Scotch bonnet pepper, 3 garlic cloves smashed, a teaspoon of pimento berries dried, 2 stalks of scallion, a teaspoon to a tablespoon of dried basil, a teaspoon to a tablespoon of dried parsley, a sprinkle of white vinegar, less than a quarter cup of oil, and about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of salt. Although it's called macaroni and bull beef, you can use elbow, shell, spaghetti, anything, any noodle. This is a 200 gram, 198 gram. But you can use a bigger one if you want. Alright, we're going to prep. Let's peel these off. Take off only this. This layer is the strongest. I'm using, if you're cooking a big one, use 1, but I'm only cooking a small one, so I'm using half. Garlic, garlic is optional, it's just that. Garlic, when you press it a little, it come off easy. Ginger now. I like to use the ginger in the corned beef because whenever I eat it, it tends to make me feel bad. So that's why I don't eat it that much. Mash it fine. Keep your vegetables separate. side. A little salt, like a teaspoon. I'm using 2 cups of this shell. It's called shell or elbow. Cover it slightly. Make sure it's enough water, and you're gonna boil it until it's white. Stir it so it don't stick. You should really put this in hot water, but you can put it like how you see me do it too. Doesn't matter. I put the stove gauge on medium, which is 4. This is 8 minutes in. You want to make sure these are white. "12 minutes. See, it's getting whiter. Just keep it covered slightly. This gauge is still on medium. Let's test it. Alright, that's it. 15 minutes. Turn it off, remove the water. Alright, just to prevent it from sticking, just put a little oil. Put a pot, a frying pot for stewing. If it's dry, add oil, less than 1/4 cup. Just allow that to get hot. Put the stove gauge on 4, medium. Make sure you remove all the water from this. Then add the oil. Then add the oil. Add the ginger. Let the ginger burn in the oil. When it starts to fry, then that's when it's hot enough. open this. Alright, put this aside. After a minute or two, add onions. Allow it to caramel for like 30 seconds, 40 seconds or more. Stir it. Add the garlic last, because the garlic burns easily. If you're a person that likes onions, you don't have to saute it as long. But I don't like raw onions. I like my onions sauteed. So saute it till it's cooked. Then you add. You can now put the stove gauge on low. Pepper. And a little tip. Add your pimento berries, dry parsley, dried basil, salt, teaspoon, put your stove gauge on very low and just allow it to simmer for like a minute or two. We'll add ketchup next. White vinegar for tanginess. After a minute, after the 2 minutes, let's add the ketchup, about a tablespoon or 2. That's it. That's it. Turn it off. Finish. We boil the noodles for 15 minutes. Burn the onions, the seasoning and so forth in about 2 minutes. Then we add the corned beef. Cook that in for a minute. Then we add the noodles, the shell. We'll cook the thing, add all the vegetable herbs and so forth, cover it and allow it to simmer for 2 minutes. And that's it. It's finished. Time to serve. Stir soon. Corned beef and macaroni, or elbow, or noodles, pasta noodles. Or you can use the twirls, like I said, any pasta. Been a long time for me. Enjoy. It's been a long time I made it. Yeah. You all inspired me to do it. That's mine. Just to say, children love this meal.